Hello and welcome back to another proper classic. We're on Big WiLLy again today. Not the brakes at the back, but I'm going to give these cloudy headlights a bit of a buff. So let's see how they come out. We've got this Meguiar's one-step headlight restoration, and from the looks of it, it's a case of put the compound on the pad and buff the headlights. It hasn't got some finishing pads, but I guess we'll have a look at those as and when. Drill the pad on. Just need to put some compound on the end there and then spread it and buff it. Got a small bit on the pad. So that's had a good old buff with the thing on the drill slits. I think that's a hell of a lot better. Yeah, I think you can say that's a bit better. All right, let's jump on and do the other side. So we've got all the stuff on there. Blob it on, and then we just go over and keep going until we think it's good. Now we've buffed it with Meguiar's, just need to take it off and see how good it looks. You can already tell that's a lot better than it was. I want to do a couple more passes, but I think for today we can say that's a really good job. So please like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.